Not guaranteed. But...
Not guaranteed, but we think we're good. All right. Oh, I got to go get that package. Hang on, I'll be right back. You guys, something was delivered for you. It's my house. Look, it says to fourth period calculus. What could it be? Oh my gosh, what could it be?
Something I'll probably never use.
Oh, I think you will use it. Let's see. What could it be? Oh, Annie, you want to help us?
Sure.
We're going to undo this package. I know you love packages. Help us out. See what's in there.
It's just 100.
Oh, we've got lots of paper. All right, hang on. I got to get the next thing open. Let's see. Oh, paper. Okay, let's see. What's this? Oh, it must be fragile. It's wrapped in paper. What is it? Integration with partial fractions. Oh my goodness, there's more. Oh my gosh. There's integration by parts. You guys are getting more integration techniques. Do you know how exciting this is?
Scammed.
More integration techniques are coming. They're coming on Monday. All right. So they're coming on Monday. You're getting more integration techniques.
And what